Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to the first video in our Auditing 2 series. Today, I'm Nirmal Fendi from the Accounting Study Program. We start with the basic. I'll explain the course syllabus in a simple way. We cover an introductions to auditing. This include basic and audit concept, the role of auditors, and why this course is important for your career in finance. So let's discuss now the first slide. So the first slide, there is what is auditing? A systematic verification and assurance. Yes, number one, systematic process. Is auditing systematic process of objectively obtaining and evaluating evidence regarding assertion about economic action and events. So, verification scope, there is involves examining and verifying a company financial records and operational data by an independent professional auditor. The ultimate goal is to ensure financial statements are accurate, complete, and adhere to established standard or GAAP or EFRS, and providing critical assurance to stakeholders. So the next slide, there is course objectives in auditing 2. Number one, critical thinking, and then second, risk-based approach, and the last, internal control. In critical thinking, with the flow, sharp critical thinking, skills and professional judgment essential for a complex audit context. And the second, risk-based approach. This is mastering the concept of audit risk, materiality, audit evidence, and risk-based audit procedure. The last, internal control. Yes, and understanding of internal control, evaluation, and the auditor roles in providing high level assurance. So the next, the core principle, there is professional skepticism and always ask why. Yes, auditor must maintain a questioning mind and critical assess the validity of audit evidence. Do not accept information at face value and always ask why. The core of skepticism is presently question the auditing and the underlying rationally for data, transaction, and process. Skepticism is the professional trait that safeguards audit independence and ensures the highest quality of the audit. And then the next, syllabus overview, key material scope. There is the audit cycle and evidence and sampling, internal control evaluation, and the last, reporting and responsibility. So detailed examination of phase, planning, execution of work, and reporting. In evidence and sampling, this method for gathering, documenting, and objectively evaluating sufficient appropriate audit evidence. The next, internal control evaluation. Techniques for assessing control, environment, strength, and identifying critical control deficiency. In this, focus on risk mitigation and reporting and responsibility, understanding the different types of audit opinions or unmodified qualified adverse and disclaimer, and the auditor legal responsibility. So the next, there is learning methodology. Our approach blends theoretical knowledge with practical application to simulate real-world audit scenario. Yes, they're interactive, and the second, a group discussion and practical projects. Focused lecture, supplemented with a recent audit case study from the Big Four firms. There is group discussion. This collaborative sessions designed to sharpen analytical abilities and professional communication. And the last practical projects, assignment and simulate audit projects emphasizing the practical application of risk-based audit concept. So, the next slide, prerequisites and core reference. Foundational knowledge, this course assumes a solid background in intermediate accounting, auditing fundamentals, and key reading material. Yes, there is primary text and supplementary. So the next, the auditor role in the modern world. There is number one, a guardian of public trust, and the second, navigating complex pressure, and the last, lesson from history. In guardian of public trust, auditor acts as watchdog, providing credibility to financial statement, which is crucial for public markets, investors, and all stakeholders. The second, navigating complex pressure, is maintaining strict independence and business pressure. The last, lesson from history, examining real-world case of audit failure highlights the critical importance and of professional judgment and adheres to ethical standards. And the last slide, there is conclusion for recognize for modern auditing. Auditing is not just about mastering technical pressure, it is about cultivating a mindset of integrity, diligence, and professional skepticism. So this will wrap on our first video. We'll cover the auditing two syllabus from advanced procedure to real case study and introduce the fundamental of auditing and its current impact. Thank you for joining me today, and don't forget to like, subscribe for more, and drop a comment with your thought or question. Thank you guys. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
One is the loneliest number that you'll ever do.